Afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being with us. Ngayong Friday, alam naman natin, Friday lunchtime. Kaya nasabi nila traffic ngayon, but you're here with us. Thank you to all the fans, the media, of course, lahat ng bumuo ng Blood versus Duty, nandito silang lahat. It's an honor to be here. Sana ma-enjoy po ninyo. Sabay-sabay po natin panoorin.
Thank you, Richard. And together joining them are the three directors, Direk Rico, Direk Joy, and FMR. Please to complete. Andito rin po ang ibang cast. We are joined by 30 cast members. Today, upstairs na sila. Just kanina sa red carpet, na-call in ko naman sila. And today, we get to meet the leads. Of course, acknowledge ko na the head of our music, the maestro, Francis Concho. Direk, where is he? Ayun, there he is. Oh, ang ganda. At saka hindi siya na heavily scored.